Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to May 2025 Patreon for um for May. Part 3, we'll be looking at some D&D Warhammer proxies and figures for your 3D printing needs. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check our Patreon Discord down below. All the links I'll be looking at will be down in the description as well. So let's begin. So we got RN Studio. This one is if you go to Champion one, you get some of the Marvel one like Mephisto, Ghost Rider, Blade, Venom, and Darkheart for it. And the regular ones will be down here. So we got World of Warcraft and Diablo and StarCraft as well. So we got Zealot, Panda. Forgot this guy from the Wrath of the Lich King. And we have a fighter, two blade fighter, and a Diablo for that. We also got Streets of Rage 4. I own the game, but I haven't played it yet. I have a lot of backlogs on video games, to tell you the truth. And we got Western RPG. This one's from the Lord of the Ring animation series for it. Yeah, yep. And let's see. Next one is Rescale Miniatures. I don't know if we've done this or not. I don't remember, but we'll go over it. Uh, but yeah, they do. It used to be Lord of the Prince. So we got a Forest Dragon, I believe this one was. I did print this one before, but this was a different pose for it. This one could be a Warhammer proxy for your Age of Sigmar for your the lizard people for it. So it looks like we got some dinosaurs. Ashley's wanting me to print a whole bunch of dinosaurs for it. Yeah, these are like Age of Sigmar proxies if you guys really want it that way. Uh, I think this would be pretty good to have. But this was all going to have to be airbrushed, to tell you the truth. Lots of freaking airbrushing in many ways. But overall, it looks pretty damn good. I do like Rescale Miniatures. I don't know why they changed their name to from that from Lord of the Prince, but they always have very highly detailed models in many ways, and having more of these are pretty good, especially for the wargaming table. If I'm going to proxy these guys, I need to make more space because I'm gonna be printing 3D printing some Emperor's Children stuff as well in many ways. But slowly we're looking at it. That is a big ass raptor. Yeah, it's a Utah raptor for it. Actually, pretty cool looking. I'm gonna actually send a picture of this to Ashley because Ashley's doing a D&D campaign for dinosaurs. We'll be shredding an island and so forth of that as well. But so far, it looks pretty damn cool. I probably should upgrade my airbrush and my compressor because I don't really have a. I have a cheap one. That one looks really cool. Oh yeah, that'd be a cool looking lizard folk for D&D in many ways. I don't like painting the Aztec style armor for it, but other than that, I think it should be fine in many ways. I think a lot of these weapons are like made out of bones or obsidian because this one's supposed to be the obsidian blade. But I know the people will paint them like bone like, but I'll print them like obsidian. They do more damage that way, in my opinion. Yeah, that looks pretty damn cool. It meant lot of stuff. Just for proxying, you have a whole army right there, right now, for just proxying shit in many ways. Hmm. Let's try and see if I missed anything. We're almost done with the photos. My 109 freaking photos. Shit. Well, that's it for that. Dragon Lake 3D. This is another proxy. I think we got some Bertollis. Yeah, I think these are all Bertollis. Oh man, easier to print all these things out than buying them outright individually. It's just so damn expensive. So I got some Musketeers that I really do need for my Bertolli armies as well. And we got this gang for the Wizard, and I still haven't know the rules for it, but I think this would be actually really good to have. I just need to find a table that plays Old World. I haven't found anyone yet. They bought the Old World stuff, but I haven't seen anyone playing the damn game at all. I know they released May stuff already, and I don't know why the photos is not out there. So let me go do this right here. Yeah, this is the May one uh, that they released that we can go look at. It's cool to have My Mini Factories a lot of times because they just release it a lot earlier before they post the stuff in for it. And if it freaking loads, that's the one problem I have. A lot of these things. Okay, so we got a Volportlepine, some demonic, fiendish bamboo monkeys. This one is the Tortured Soul. I think it's pretty much cool to proxy this for Night Haunt. And this is the Grave Robbers set. So if you have like little, grave, you need some grave robbers or some stuff for catacombs and graveyard setting. Sorry, this might be good too for it. Let's see here, STO. Norin Rondo 3D Studio. They do figures for it. I think Cosmic Bunny Girl won for May votes. They're still working on the Sailor Moon one, Bunny Sailor Moon. I wish they just make it bigger, but I do need to print this one for my Overlord collection. I do need to find space to make a lot of these things. Tensions figures. That's from Gumroad. Station Forge. This is a Warhammer proxy. You got the Free Guard Infantry. And I think this one's from last month for it. But every like couple days they release a whole bunch of like Warhammer proxies for these guys, and they'll have like a sets of like 6 to 8 of it. Let me see. Oh, they finally freaking fixed this. See, this is all of April, right here. So they finally fixed it, so I can download my shit for it. But yeah, a lot of freaking army, especially if you just 3D print proxy your Warhammer. It's freaking great. GR8 Studio. This one is for this month. I'm waiting for what Pyra looks like. You get the previous month, and you get the welcome, and you get the random as well. Very good figures. I haven't printed it out yet. I do want to print. Oops. I do want to print that one out. I do. I think she's like one of the favorite girls I like in My Hero Academia. Man, I love figures. A lot of loot stuff. This is term 44. I think this one's going to be for next month. A lot of loot stuff. But yeah, we'll see. Trying to see if they have the whole set out for 42, 43, I believe, is supposed to be for this month. But they have a lot. That's 42. How about 43? Terms 42, 42, 42, pull 43, 42. They haven't have stuff for 43 yet, but as you can see, yeah, they're like miniature size. You do also do a pin up as well. So if you actually do like a lot of like anime style games, this will actually pretty much be good for you. We already looked at that. Fans verse STL, another figure one as well. For we got the spirit model bonus. I have this on Tribe. A lot easier to actually make to look up for. But I believe for this month will be these. This one just came out. This was last month. So they have a lot of figure ones if you're interested in that. I think that'll be it. Hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our page and Discord. Thank you guys very much. Have a nice day. Bye.